Ayan na guys. Ang ano namin. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Ayan yung company. Day transfer. Ando yung sasakyan ko nakapark sa malayo. Super layo. Ano ba yan? Ayan. She gonna fit? There you go. Super layo naman eh. I'm gonna go get it. Ah, that's so cute. Look at that. Decorations. Tcharan! Si Tweety. Oh, I like that. Ayan. Ang layo ng park ng asawa ko. Dito talaga. Andito ako. Ang layo eh. Dito talaga siya nag-park eh. Ayan. Army wife pa rin ang ano ko. Charan, army wife. O, diba? Philippines na ako. Kailangan ko nito ulit. Wala, grabe. Nag-ice, good ay. Ice.
Before when I was growing up, one day in 20 years. It lasted a half hour.
I lived in Arizona before too.
Yeah?
You did?
Pachuca.
Nice. That's nice.
Oh, Puerto Huachuca.
Huh?
And Sierra Vista.
Sierra Vista, that's a beautiful part of Arizona.
Yeah.
I lived in the Dust Bowl over in Phoenix.
Oh yeah, yeah.
All right, what'd you say?
So grab the trash.
Yeah. Huh? Meron na mga gamit pala doon. So, sa amin yung kalahati pala. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, that's how they deliver though. I mean, they do it.
You got the top.
You said he needed me out back, or
Huh?
you said he needed to talk
Yeah,
to
I think he
I'll
just
let
only
you
asked.
go anyway. Not talking to
you?
you.
Appreciate you, sir.
Come by and say bye before you leave anyway.
We'll do.